Green this morning. We're joined now by Keith Fitz on a Monday morning. All right, Keith, the markets, you think that the markets care more about the Fed and lower interest rates than the assassination attempt. Make your case.
Absolutely. It comes down to three things. You can have 24 hours or you can have 24 years. The longer term waves are how capital moves. The shorter term waves are how your emotions play into it. So you always, as an investor and or a trader, want to focus on that bigger picture.
And the big picture at the moment in terms of interest rates is, you think
big picture is inflation's coming down, whether we like it or not. We're not going to feel it in our wallets, but definitely according to the Fed. The Fed is going to get benched. Traders are getting ahead of that. And there's still $3 to $5 trillion on the sidelines that is in search of a new home. The market will narrow up, not broaden out.
You're convinced we're going to get a rate cut in September?
Well, let's put it this way. I'm investing accordingly that I think the Fed, funny enough, no rate cut, but they're going to want to, could and would and should is a different equation right now. I think they're going to hold off till after the election, Stuart.
Several of the folks who regularly appear on this program have said that we might be seeing, or we are in, a melt up for stocks. What do you say to that?
You and I have been talking about that for a lot longer than I'm aware the other guests have. So I think this is a good thing. It's underway.
It's underway and it's carrying forward. There's no sign of it pausing yet?
No, the pauses, of course, are going to be geopolitics. They're going to be a contentious election, but those are nothing more than ripples in the scheme of things. So as an investor, my perspective, playing that 3, 5, 10-year game, I think we're well equipped for a massive rally to the upside if those things stay off the table.
Now, we asked you to bring along a stock pick, and I'm pleased to see that you picked Microsoft again. So tell me, where's Microsoft going?
Well, it's one of those horses, you know, if you're winning the race, you don't switch in the middle of the field, right? So I think Microsoft is going to be 550, maybe even 575, 600. AI is clearly the winner here. If you look at cloud storage, you look at how they're integrating their product suite, $5, $7 being returned is going to be $10, $12, $15 a year from now.
You know, I think I've owned Microsoft. In fact, I know I've owned it for over 20 years. Why would I have
very well?
Yeah, I've done all right, no complaints, but it's been a long, long period. There's been times when I've been tempted to sell, take some profit and move elsewhere. And at one point I did sell a little of it, but I came back in again. So I'm staying with what I've got, and that's your advice, and I've taken it. Thank you very much indeed, friends. Keith Fitz, you're all right. All right, he's going to press that bell. Well, the bell is ringing. He's going to press the button. They're crowding around the button presser. And in no time at all, we'll have this market open. I'm expecting to see a solid gain for the Dow and a pretty solid gain for the Nasdaq as well. Here we go. Stocks higher after Trump assassinated.